Welcome to Renew CCL. I am Noemi Martinez. Today, I'm going to speak about how to create a new session and snapshot on the Digico SD11. If you like it, please subscribe. So now I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a new session and snapshot. So now we are going to the master screen. So let's make sure we're in the master screen, and then let's go to Files, and then touch or press Save as New File. Now here we have to make sure in what destination you want it. You select a destination drive. You select internal or removable. Internal is to save it into the internal computer. Removable is if you would like to save it to a USB stick. Let's select internal. Let's go to File Name, and we're going to write a new name. New one. We're going to name it. In the session title, you can name it whatever you like. After that, select Save, and now it's saved on the project. So let's make sure it's there. We go to File, Save as New, and right there it is. It's on the internal drive, New 1 session. We just created a new session and saved it on the internal drive. Now we will create a new snapshot on the new session. Here we are on the master screen. Let's go to Snapshot, Insert New on the top right. Type in the name, and then press OK. Then we're going to close it. We go to File and make sure we save it. You just learned about how to create a new session and snapshot on the Digico SD11. If you liked this video, please subscribe. More videos are coming your way. This counsel was sponsored by Mix3.